Hey there, car enthusiasts. David Garn here. Your check engine light just popped on, and it's showing that dreaded P0300 code. Don't freak out. I'm here to break it all down for you. So what does P0300 mean? Essentially, your car's engine control module detected misfires occurring randomly across multiple cylinders. This isn't just a single cylinder issue, which would be labeled P0301, P0302, and so on. This can cause rough idling, loss of power, and even poor fuel economy. Not good. Common symptoms: you might notice rough idling, feels like your engine is shaking, a noticeable loss of power, poor fuel economy, and of course, the check engine light. Sometimes you'll even get hard starting or stalling, unusual exhaust smells, or loud engine noises like popping or backfiring. Ignoring these can lead to catastrophic engine damage, so let's fix it. First up, ignition system issues. Your spark plugs, ignition, coils, and spark plug wires could all be culprits. Check if they're worn out or damaged. Replace them if needed. If you've got an older car with a distributor, inspect the cap and rotor too. Next, fuel system problems. Bad fuel injectors, a failing fuel pump, or a faulty fuel pressure regulator can lead to misfires. Clean or replace clogged injectors and test your fuel pressure. Got it? Now let's talk air intake and vacuum leaks. Cracked hoses or dirty mass airflow sensor can mess up your air-fuel ratio. Inspect and replace any cracked hoses and clean the mass airflow sensor. Don't forget the throttle body. Carbon buildup here can also cause issues. If everything checks out, it might be an engine mechanical issue. Low compression due to worn piston rings or a timing chain belt that's jumped a tooth can cause misfires. Perform a compression test and inspect your timing components. EGR valve stuck open, that can be a problem too, so give it a look. Finally, sensors and computer issues. Faulty crankshaft or camshaft position sensors or even oxygen sensors can throw your engine's timing off. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for additional codes and replace any faulty sensors. Here's how to diagnose and fix P0300. Step 1. Scan for codes using an OBD2 scanner. Step 2. Check your ignition system. Inspect and replace spark plugs. Test ignition coils and spark plug wires. Step 3. Inspect the fuel system. Check for clogged injectors and measure fuel pressure. Step 4. Look for air leaks. Spray soapy water or carburetor cleaner around vacuum hoses while the engine runs. If the idle changes, there's a leak. Step 5. Test compression and timing. Perform a compression test if needed and inspect the timing belt or chain for misalignment. So, can you drive with a P0300 code? Honestly, it's risky. Continuous misfires can wreck your catalytic converter and lead to engine failure. If it's just old spark plugs, short trips might be okay, but if you're experiencing severe shaking, power loss, or frequent stalling, tow it to a mechanic. Want more car fixes? Like and subscribe for more check engine light solutions, car repair tips, and DIY diagnostics. Comment below if you've dealt with P0300 and what fixed it for you. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.